Welcome back to my channel. Today we have a Stitch Fix unboxing. Let's get into it. Before we get started, if you're here and you're not yet subscribed, I'd love to have you stick around. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you'll never miss a video. Like the video. If you like it, leave me a nice comment down below. All those things really help out my channel. Onto the video. Okay, Stitch Fix is one of those styling boxes. We all know about it by now. $25 for the box goes towards whatever you're gonna purchase. I'll have I think I get a discount code. I'll have it linked down below. I think you get $25 off. I get $25 off. You can use it. You don't have to use it. Here's my box. Let's unbox it together. I have my scissors here. Hold, please. Here's my bundle. I see some kind of fall colors in there. If we're being honest, I did pick these things out. They send you kind of like fashion does now, like an email with like a preview of the things that you're gonna get. But if we're honest, I can't remember what I picked out because it's been kind of a long time ago. Instantly buy styles that go with what's in your fix. I'm not sure what that means, but there's that. There is a prepaid bag that you put everything in that you don't want. And okay, the little envelope with, let's see here, I think it's a note from your stylist, and then like a little invoice here telling you how much everything is. They do have a buy all discount, so if you buy all 5 pieces in the box, you will get a 25% discount. Oh, hello. I've always talked about this before. I like how they pair some of the things together. There is a note from your stylist on this side. And then again, the little card that shows you how to pair some of these things together. Okay, let's get to trying these things on. And then we'll come back and talk about prices. Okay, I'll talk about these items kind of up close, and then I'll back up and show you the whole outfit. This first top, I believe, is the Market and Spruce Ava tie neck sleeveless top, extra, extra large. The price is $40. And it does have this little tie detail here. It's got kind of like a little ruffle neck detail. I like the colors on it, and this color in particular really matches the shorts that I have on. And again, you'll see when I back up. And then the shorts that I have on, I do not see them on my invoice, so I'm not sure. The only thing that comes close, it says the Mix by 41 Hawthorne Jolene pull-on shorts, extra large, size $34. But these are not the Mix by Hawthorne shorts. The tag on them says Market and Spruce shorts, so I'm not sure what's going on with the shorts, but they do have a like drawstring waist with a tie that you can tie. They're just pull on. I really like the shorts, you guys. They're super soft, like a lightweight material, and I like with this top, I feel like it really dresses up the shorts. So here's the first outfit. This outfit is super cute, you guys. Again, I'll back up here in a minute. You probably see me already showing you. While it is cute, I just feel like these pieces aren't really my style anymore. I don't know. But this is the Market and Spruce Rex knit top in a size blue. It's extra, extra large, and it is $44. And these shorts, again, they nailed it with the shorts. They're just not really my style. This is the Lila Ryan Susanna short. The color is blue. They're in a size 14, and they are $68. $68. Yeah, I mean, there's nothing wrong with the outfit. I do like, I think this is really flattering, how this top kind of cuts in. So I feel like if your arms are like toned, it would show nicely. Okay, I do remember picking this shirt out on the website. It's kind of like a 3/4 length sleeve, like lightweight shirt. And I remember when I picked it out that I could style it now with shorts, and I think it would look really pretty in the summertime. But I think in the fall, I like these kind of tops with jeans and boots. This is another one though, where the name is a little bit off. The name on the tag is like Daniel Ryan or Daniel something. I'll have to look when I take it off. but I don't see that on my invoice. The only thing that's left is the Pale Sky split neck top, size extra, extra large, which it is in a size extra, extra large. And the cost is $68. You guys, I realized I didn't even tell you anything about this top. I told you the tag was wrong and the price. And I was so thrown off by the price, we stopped there. It does have buttons going like 3/4 of the way down the front of the shirt. They are real buttons. You can unbutton them if you so choose to. It is like a gauzy kind of lightweight shirt. It's got this little detail on the sleeve, detail here, detail down the sleeve. It's really pretty. And I just kept it on with those Lila Ryan shorts. And this is how I would style it. I do like this outfit better than the tank top. I think this is a really cute summer outfit now. But like I said, in the fall, when it gets a little cooler, I could switch the shorts out for like some blue jeans and booties. And I think it would be really cute. Also, I think this would be really cute for a swimsuit cover-up right now. Right? Look how pretty. I've tried everything on. Let's talk prices. If I were to buy everything in this box, okay, hold on. Hold, please. Numbers have never been my strong suit. Okay, the stylist picks. Everything in this box is $254. But if you buy all 5, the 25% discount takes off $63.50. So that would bring your total down from $254 to $190.50. That's that. Okay, let's talk about these shorts. I do like these shorts. They fit well. They've got a nice amount of stretch to them too. Again, I don't know if they're really my style. I feel like I recently got rid of a bunch of shorts similar to this that weren't my style. They're just a little like soccer mommy to me. And no offense if you're a soccer mom. Soccer moms are cool, but I'm not trying to look like a soccer mom, even though I'm old enough to be a soccer mom. Yeah, I just didn't care for them. But they're comfortable, cute, stretchy. And in fact, they did look cute with this top, you guys. I don't know. Do I need it? Probably not. This is essentially just like a stretch knit top, but I did think the shoulders of it were really comfortable. This is a maybe. How much was it? Let's look again. It is Market and Spruce. Ooh, it was $44. See, this is where you get into where, would it just be cheaper to buy all 5 and get the all 5 discount? I don't know. I don't really need to spend $190 on clothes. This was another cute top though. And again, Market and Spruce. I feel like I could wear this now with those shorts that I styled it with. But again, with me going into the classroom potentially more within the next year, I think this would be a really nice kind of work top. And I do like the colors in it. So like I could wear a cardigan in any of these colors over this top. And I feel like it would be really like teacher appropriate. I'll think about it. I'm not thinking about these. I'm keeping these. This is where they're called the Mix by Hawthorne. I don't know what that is. Jolene pull-on short. They are a Jolene pull-on short, but it's Market and Spruce. So I don't know. You guys probably know more than me. Tell me what that is. These are, okay. I have never owned anything from Lululemon, but these feel like what Lululemon quality would be. They're kind of like a athletic-y kind of material. But again, paired with that top, it kind of dressed them up. They're super lightweight. They have a drawstring, which makes them really comfortable. They have pockets. I'm definitely keeping these. How much were they? $34. They're mine. And this was the last thing I was confused about. Daniel Rain. Daniel Rain. That's the name of this. In a size extra, extra large. That was not on my invoice. Excuse me. I just burped. I just drank an iced coffee, which could explain why I'm all over the place. Daniel Rain, not on here. Pale Sky split neck top is on here. Either way, if it's $68, that's pricey, you guys. I liked this top, okay? I did. I even liked it with the soccer mom shorts. I think that kind of styled it in a way that I would wear it. I like this. I would wear this with some shorts that I have now. And like I said, I like these shorts in the fall when it's kind of hot, but it's kind of cold. I think it's really pretty. I think it would look really pretty with some blue jeans and any of my assortment of booties that I have going on here. I've got some snake print ones just off camera that I think would look really cute with it. But it's almost $70, you guys. So if I keep this and these two tops, I might as well just keep the all 5 and get the discount, right? I don't know, you guys. Tell me down below. Even though this video is not going up until after I have to return these things. Okay, thanks for watching this really random Stitch Fix haul. I will have a discount code down below. Check that out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys again real soon. Bye, guys.